Do you like sunrise or sunset? It doesn't matter because we have both oceans here. From this terrace you will see the sunrise and also the sunset, okay? Starting from the rooftop, we have this convenient and heated jacuzzi. One floor below, we have this heated pool in front of the fire pit area, okay? Still here you will appreciate the views, and also we have a barbecue area where you can prepare your meals with your friends and also have some drinks in this part. Villa Castillo is a European design. Reason why this house looks totally different from all the houses in the entire Cabo San Lucas. Talking about the location, it's pretty exciting because we are in the main road, the Transpeninsular Highway, okay? And besides that, it has their own private access to the beach. And in case you want to start the party, I have a mini bar. You want a shot of this beautiful Mexican tequila? Let's do it. This house is perfect for everything, even if you want to rent it for long or short-term rental, okay? It has these two beautiful studios next to the house. If you are ready to start making money, these two money makers are fully furnished with their private entrance and parking spot. It is well decorated and also they have access to the private beach. And one floor below we have our second money maker. All the entire house, it has access to the common amenities like the beach club, the gym, the picnic area, the pool, and don't forget the private access to the beach. And next to the big parking space that we have in this house, I'm gonna show you the next two rooms. Those are inside of the main house and it's very convenient for family that comes to visit you. Why? Well, let me show you. In this area we have a little kitchen. You can prepare your meals. One of the rooms is set up like a living room, which is nice because it's well decorated, and also this room, it has their private bathroom. And we haven't talked the best part of this house, the master room. It's not just one master room, but two. They are well decorated and with their private bathroom. This property, it has 6 bedrooms and 6 full baths and 2 half baths. The multi-level house, it was built in 1995. And it's 10,700 square foot, which is 2 lots combined. As you see, the master rooms are connected from the patio and also from the main entrance. This is a best deal. Why? Because you don't need to put all the money in cash because the owner is offering financing. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you want more information about the financing, and also if you have a person who may be interested in purchase this home, we have some bonus for the person who find the perfect buyer. Thank you for watching all of my video. I hope to get better and better and better to give you the best of being in Cabo.